Hello you beautiful people, my name's John, welcome to my channel. Today we have the 124016 from WL Toys. This is the version 2, as you can tell by my very dodgy and sad looking stickers. They need to be replaced. Today we're going to be talking about toe. And what that means is you've got toe in, like this, you've got toe out, like that, and you've got the straight toe. And the same can be said for the front as well. Okay, there's a lot of you wondering how you can fix the rear toe, whether it's fully adjustable. It is not. You have two separate settings that you can do. The front is fully adjustable. You can do in, out, shake it all about. The rear is basically toe in or straight, and I will show you how to do that now. If you want to know about the camber, the camber is the angle of the wheel like this, going inwards or outwards, like a Formula 1 car has I think 3 degrees inwards. I'll show you that at the end of this video. So, what we need to do for the rear is, it's a little bit difficult, but you've just got to be a little bit patient, okay? You need pliers, preferably the bendy pliers like these, long nose pliers, and a screwdriver. And if you see all the way down here, that's the best way to show you this. Here we go. I'll point with this. If you see all the way down there, there is a bolt. No, a nut, sorry. All the way down there, right there. Okay? And what you need to do is hold with these here, like that down there. And then at the rear, you have the actual bolt. There we go. Okay, so you undo this while holding onto the nut, and that pulls this whole section out. And then I'll show you what to do after that point. So, what's the best way to do this? It's going to be a little bit finicky. I'll try to get it on camera, but it's not easy. There's not a lot of space down here, as you can see. You can barely get this in. Come on. Reed, I think I'm holding on. There we go. As you can see, I'm holding... Ooh. Come on. There we go. Holding onto the nut. The world's worst screwdriver. Come on. Even my screwdriver's bent. Just noticed that. Okay, I should now be able to pull this out as such. And then the nut is free to come out. Like so. This is how it came from the factory. Like this, with toe in. Okay, I want to do toe out. So, pull this out. And then this whole section comes off. Just keep this safe. That has to go back in afterwards. Oh, I have a slight bend. Didn't know that. Right. Now, if you have a look here, you see how the circle is offset to one side. What you need to do is take that out and reverse it to the other way. Where are my pliers? Okay, I'll try and hold this, and as it goes flying off into the distance, please don't. Come on. There we go. Yeah, that was going to happen. Need to find it because it's the only one that I have. Seriously, where did you go, huh? Okay, some montage music as you see me shaking the car, I suppose. Ta-da! So anyway. You can see it in more detail now that it is offset to one side, so we just have to put it back in the other way around, and as you can see, this is to the outer side, so we need to do this hole on the inner side. So push that back in. Come on. Do not let it go. There we go. And as you can see, that is now on the inner side. The hole is towards the center of the chassis, where on that one it's going out towards the wheel. So don't forget to put the drive shaft back in. If it gets a bit finicky, if you can't hold everything into place while you've also got the drive shaft in place, don't worry about it. You can actually put the drive shaft in afterwards. I'll show you how to put the drive shaft in afterwards, okay? But if you can manage it, good job. Right, so now you have to try and just hold the swing arm. Get down. You're fighting against the shock, so don't worry about it. Put that there in preparation. And then come on. Gorgeous. What you do need to do though is you need to have this back just a wee bit, because you need room to put the nut back in. They've not left a lot of space on this car for this type of setup. Okay, let's try and grab it out. There we go. Because obviously you need room to get your nut back in there. Now if everything else was this difficult, God knows what this is about to be like. Is it possible to do it that way? Yes, it's better to do it that way. I'm going to quickly take off. Quickly take off the shock, because then I'm not fighting against the shock itself. There we go. Actually, yeah, now you can see I've actually got the room to hold the nut in position. Okay. It's hard enough to do this while not doing it on camera. It may be handy having a set of these just to hold the nut in place. Okie dokie. Uh-oh. Come on. I like that they changed to the bolt and nut setup, because it does make it a lot stronger. It doesn't leave you a lot of room. There we go. Now you can see that the nut is in fact in position, so you need a much tighter tool. Like so. Not like so. Beautiful. Excellent. So obviously the same is said for the other side. Same procedure. What we will do is put the shock back on. You just have to make sure that that hole is lined up. Da, da, da. Oh, I'm switching between screwdrivers today. Oh, I see, because none of them fit. Excellent. Now, to get the drive shaft back in, you just need to take the tie rod off here with a set of pliers, again, funnily enough. What's going to be the easiest way? Let's try the top up here. You see you've got the ball joint there. Just grab it and twist. It says so convincingly. WO Toys have put much better ball joints on these cars, but they're so much more difficult to get off. Really? Just going to take the wheel off, and I can show you guys easier, you know. Dun, dun, dun. It's good to see there's going to be one of those days when one thing goes wrong, they all go wrong. So I didn't think I'd be showing you stripping down the whole rear of the car today, but at least it gives me a way of showing you in more detail. So grab the ball joint. Ooh. What is it with these new ball joints on these cars? Yes. If you have a bent dog bone drive shaft, you can bend them back to a certain degree. It's never going to be 100% straight, but it certainly can be a lot better than what this is right now. Yeah, that'll do. So, drive shaft back in. You can see that there, and come on, that's there. Yes. Then that won't pop on because they're too tight. So again, grab your pliers. Nice. I have swapped these out with the ones that I have just because the car's going so fast now. I wanted to change the plastic ones for the metal ones. Again, I've used thread lock on these nuts, and I'll have to do that one again later because I'm planning on doing the speed run with these larger tyres. So as you can see, this rear tyre is now straight and this one is still facing in, so that one I'll sort later. Now when it comes to the front, I'd like to say it's a lot easier, but again, WO Toys seem to have glued these. Yeah, that's the wheel glue there. I managed to get this. I managed to get it all over here, even though I was using the paper over it, and I even managed to stick it on my lips and my tongue because I was I took the cap off and obviously got glue there. So careful with your wheel glue. On the fronts, as I said, you can either do them inwards, outwards, or straight as you can, like what mine are now. And you do that with the steering arms here. It's where it's connected to the servo, which obviously turns the car. As you see, left and right, left and right. Now, it used to be a case where you could get a small tool like, I don't know, like an Allen key, put it in and turn it. You either turn it one way or the other way. Is this actually working now? The other one, the other side, it's like they've started to use a little bit of glue. So when I tried to do it, it actually popped both of the arms off at the same time. And you see how tough it is to get off the ball joints in the first place. So all you do is you wind it one way or the other way. Just keep on winding in and out, and that will move it either that way or that way. And that will give you your toe in and your toe out. And that's it, ladies and gents. This is also the same principle for the other WO toys: 124016, 124017, 124018, 124019, and the 144001 and the EAT14, because, you know, it was made by WO Toys. Now, if you want to know how to do the camber at both the front and the rear, you can watch this video here, and that will show you in detail. I wish you a great day today. Stay safe, take care. Bye-bye.